I am Todd Thomason. I work with JMR Roofing and Sheet Metal. And today we're going to talk about the panel former and striation. We're going to turn these coils into something really cool. This is our 1-inch standing seam panel former. And you can see at the head of the trailer we've got a coil. It's a partial coil. We've got a lot of panels out of that one so far. But we're going to run out a little bit, just kind of show you how it's made. And there you have a custom length 1-inch standing seam roofing panel. You can program it to set a number of panels to cut, the length of panels to cut, and you can also designate whether or not you need striations in the panel. So now what I'm doing is raising these rollers to take the striations out of the panel. Some people like the striations, some people don't. There is a purpose to them, and it's to prevent oil canning. Okay, now that the rollers are out of the way, we're going to form a panel without striations. Side-by-side comparison. Normally you wouldn't run striated panels with non-striated panels, but this is just demonstration purposes only. This is your panel clip. You see it's got 2 screw holes. Always attach them down with 2 screws. But it's fairly simple. They slide over the metal side and are attached to the decking, and then you are ready to lay your next panel. You have just whatever intervals that the job requires, and then your next panel fits right over the top, and it's mechanically seamed right along that rib so that it folds over on the clip and the previous panel together, forming a solid bond between the two. This is box gutter, one of our jobs currently going on right now. And there's about 460 feet of gutter in this pile. And it starts off as flat sheets. See our racks over here that holds all of our flat metal. Take it from the rack, cut it down at the slitter, and then we form it all on this machine here. It's called the sheet metal brake. That we are currently in the process of making for a local artist. She's using our frames to showcase her artwork, and we've been trying to figure out an inexpensive way for her to frame everything. So this style over here, a little more intricate, a little more time consuming. That all equates to a little more money. These, fairly simple, they go quick, they assemble fast, and we can keep her cost down. So we're always on the lookout for cheaper ways to do things, cost savings onto you, but still provide quality products. On the back side, custom fabricated the picture hanger. She had been purchasing them from a local home improvement store, but these are just as good, if not better. Custom made, can build them to any size, any dimension, any specs that you want, but they're pretty basic picture frame holder.
You do it all.
We do it all.
That is
So
really
this is
cool.
a custom paneled doghouse that we made for one of our clients, one of our customers. They were doing siding and they were putting a roof on their house, so said, you know what, let's do the doghouse. So this is a single lock panel. The double lock would also fold this this leg straight down one more time. But it's just appearance. At this point, it's aesthetics. If you want to see the rib a little more pronounced, then you would want to go with the single lock standing seam. If you want to secure that thing down even further, you would go with the double lock. So here you can see the difference between, this is the difference between the double lock seam and then the single lock.
Okay.
And again, this sample shows variations in your striation. That didn't sound good.
Now, how do you accomplish this here?
This is accomplished with a, it's
Rollover machine?
yeah, it's in the, if you want me to get one of those out, one of those seamers out.
Sure.
Do that, okay.
Let's go look at it.
Okay. And this is your panel seamer.
It just runs it through, huh?
It runs it straight through. It's electrical.
Yeah. And portable.
Yeah, you set it down on your panel, you would lock it into place, flip the switch to turn it on, and it just goes by itself.